Hey guys, today we're looking at a 2019 Harley Davidson Softail Sport Glide, and this one is in silver. It's got the 107 cubic inch engine, chrome detailing, and we've got the black matte bags on this one. I like these bags, they're really low profile, and they also lock, which is really nice. Got a 2-up seat, and this bike also has ABS front and rear. Come check this one out. It has really low miles. We are at 1,951. Let's see. We've gone up to 2022. Not bad. So again, come take it for a test ride. A few other people have. We are open 6 days a week.